Hello everybody, Brian here from quantlabs.net. Right now we are going to do our Orlando CFD Forex analysis. And looks based upon my analysis here, even though, let's look at the markets. You can see here, May jobs report is mixed for May. So probably people sitting at home still collecting government cash because, well, it's more than what they'll get in minimum wage jobs. So you can see here, it's not as strong. I mean, actually, NASDAQ's looking good. Russell's doing good. Oil's doing really good. Gold, And then right across the Forex. And then we have the FTSE down, which I was going to talk about. That's fine. And the Nikkei's down quite a bit as well. So let's get to it. Okay, so we usually start out with the Australian calls here. They're looking pretty good, all in Canadian. The longs there, Japanese yen's got a short. So here's the first one. We got a short here on the UK 100, short here on British pound against the Australian. Do have a long here against the pound against the Swiss franc. Again, all this changes. Gold now, right now, I think New Zealand seems to be the place to be because the markets might be turning. So silver in New Zealand has a long, a second one as well. More Australia, Canadian longs. Australia CHF has a slight long. And then we get into Hong Kong, Euro Hong Kong has two shorts. Euro Japanese yen has a short, and Euro Norway has a short. So I'm going to skip that. Here is what I was talking about: more strength, more strong signs for UK 10-year long there. UK 100 has a short. Now let's take a look at the important ones. Here is the USB 30 years got a long. That's good. Safe haven short here for the USD yen. It's really mixed bag. There's no sense of direction here. USD with the Singapore has a long, even though it has a recent few drops there. More pound against the Swiss franc along, and on it goes. So as I said, with the pound here, we have platinum, really good long there. So who knows? Maybe platinum is a good place to go. Australia use USD, two longs there. You can see it's coming and digging along pretty good. There's a third one there. So that's a good combination, Australia USD. And then Australia, Canada again, more longs. Okay, so we have some US indices, shorts there. Same with the SPY 500. UK 100's got a long. Let's see what France has got. France has got a short. Okay, pound against the USD, a short. Same with the GBP against New Zealand, kind of short there. An important one, we got a long here on the USD Canada, but it's going nowhere. It's just, I think Canadian dollar is just not, economy is not as good as it should be. USD CHF, mixed there. USD Sweden, 1, 2, 3 longs. That's pretty significant there. Slight long with the USD against Denmark, 1, 2, 3, 4 longs. Okay, we have gold and Australia short, gold and Swiss franc short, 2 of those. So that would be sort of expected, but gold in New Zealand's got its short. Now here's the important one: is the gold silver ratio. It's got its long there, so it's maintaining that. Silver Australia long. Okay. Silver Canada had 2 shorts there. Silver against British pound, two shorts, mixed on the Hong Kong dollars. A long. Okay, let's get out of this Asia. Okay, so Australian USD's got some more longs there. Wow, those are looking good. Something's good for Australia. China 50's got a slight long there. Performed really well. It's gone flat since May 26. Okay, flat here, short here for the France 40. Euro against the Australian, two shorts. Mixed on the Euro Canada. Euro pound against long there. Okay, Euro Japanese yen, two shorts, three. Norway short. New Zealand longs there, or sorry, two shorts. Okay, here's the important one. Euro against USD is very flat and choppy. Pointing at a short there. We got 1, 2, 3, 4. Wow, not looking good there for Euro USD. Deutsche 10-year, one long, two longs, 3, 4. So Deutsche 10-year bond is looking okay. Let's see, Hong Kong 33, missed that one, short. Netherlands 25 short. Singapore 30 short. These are the indices. Okay, 10-year. Wow. Okay, so UK is looking much better than those Asian ones. So UK is looking okay temporarily. Got 3 longs there, 4 longs actually. Got some shorts coming up here. NASDAQ 100. This one of interest, USD Thailand is got a long SPX short, 2 years short. Ooh, okay, 1, 2, 3. So we got 2 out of 3 longs, actually 2 out of 4 shorts or longs, actually 3 out of 5 longs for the 10 years. So it's not that convincing, but it's mixed. USD Canada, another short here. USD CHF mixed. Moving on. Okay, USD Norway. 3 longs there, 4 longs. So that tells you what's going on. Safe haven. Okay, Japan. 2 out of 3 USD Japanese yen. 2, 1, 2, 3. USD Sweden, so that's along there. It's coming back to what I said about Scandinavian. I don't know. I don't trust these Asian, neither Hong Kong or Asian. Natural gas. Okay, 2 out of 4 longs. Okay, this is the important one for the inflation. Okay, you can see there we got a short on the soybean. A long, but it's just going nowhere now. It's very choppy for sugar USD, wheat. 2 out of 2 longs there, but they're not set. There's no sense of direction here. Corn, the same. It's very like undetermined. No clarity there. Okay, so we still have a rally of all ones. The Swiss franc against the Japanese yen. Not much to tell you on. Everything's gone flat, declining, very choppy. Pound against the Swiss franc, 1 long, 1 short. Pound against USD short. New Zealand, let's see that. Yeah, two longs for New Zealand and Swiss franc. Oh boy. New Zealand USD's got a short. Platinum. Okay, there it is. It's long. So gold, I don't know. Okay, Brent crude's still pumping up, so that's good. WTI, that rally's looking pretty good there as well. So those two are probably your best bet right now. Wheat, choppy, gum down, I don't know. So I'm not worried about this inflation anymore. Copper, flatten, more decline. Natural gas, we've looked at, and platinum. That's pretty well it. Not much to tell from there. The only one that's consistent is some British bonds, and really the one that's powering through is the oil, WTI and Brent